In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a background image in a row within Pagefly using your Shopify store. Setting a background image can make your pages more visually appealing and engaging, providing a more personalized touch to your site. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Shopify. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to access your Shopify account. If you haven't used Pagefly before, make sure it's already installed as an app in your Shopify store. Otherwise, you might need to add it from the Shopify App Store before proceeding. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the section where all your installed apps are displayed. Here, you'll find the Pagefly app. Click on it to launch the application. Upon opening Pagefly, you'll be directed to its dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if you're not already, as it serves as your control center for all page building activities. Next, look on the dashboard for the Pages section. This is where you can manage the various pages of your website. After clicking on Pages, focus your attention on the left sidebar. Here, you'll need to find and select Elements and then Table. This is where you'll have the option to add and customize elements on your page. After you're set with the table element, you'll want to move over to the General settings. Here, you'll have the option to Add New Item. Go ahead and select this option. You should now be presented with a new cell where various styling options can be applied. With a specific cell selected, it's time to make it visually stand out. Head over to the Styling section. Here, you will see the option for background styling, specifically, background image. Within this option, find where it says Select Image. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose an image for your background. Make sure you've already prepared an image you'd like to use, as this will streamline the process. Once you have your image selected, you have a few additional customization settings to consider under the background image options. You can select different preferences like background repeat and size to ensure your image is perfectly tailored to fit the cell's needs and the aesthetic of the page. Play around with these settings to see what best aligns with your design goals. Finally, after you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget one crucial step. Click Save. This ensures that all the hard work you've put into configuring your background image doesn't go to waste. Now you've successfully set a background image in a row using Pagefly. Enjoy this new enhancement to your Shopify page and revisit these steps anytime you need to add more visual flair to your website.